Turning your engine 27V12. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor look nice without any damage. And on this side everything's good. Engine's turbo in good conditions. Turbo turn. Look as well on the gearbox. You don't see any damage. And on this side everything nice. Starter on the good conditions. Alternator looks good, not broken. And on the top everything nice, as you can see. All connectors without any damage. And on the bottom oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 27V12.